tayo mayroong alaanang nais balikan, mapalarawan man yan o sa modernong panahon na for the gram and for the reels. Pero winner pa rin na mabalikan ang mga milestone na mula pagkabata, our first travel, and the thing that we love. Pero the question is, what's that one thing you love from Baguio?
Super halaga kasi para sa mental health, ganun, pag stress sa work.
Isa sa gusto namin mapuntahan dahil sa maraming tourist spot na magagandang view. Yan.
Ano pa man yan, the luxury of nostalgia, to experience things slowly at to heal that kid in you. Sentro ng disenyo ng kauna-unahang float ng Wright Park Hotel para sa Grand Float Parade ng Paragbanga ngayong taon. Ilang araw bago ang parada, unti-unti nang napupuno ng mga bulaklak ang kanilang float.
We come up to something that represents Cordillera. Tapos yung sculpture na gagamitin namin is yung from the hotel. So maganda yung nilabasan ng concept na nag-agreean namin.
We came here to serve the community, to represent the community, because that's what tourists are looking for, and that's what we're here to showcase. The beauty of Baguio, the beauty of Cordillera, the beauty of the people of Baguio, and that is, you will see all that.
Sentro ng mensahe ng kanilang float ang mayamang kultura ng Cordillera.
We're here to be part of the community. And that is the reason why we brought those out. Not just in our lobby, but we brought them out, we're bringing them out to the public to tell them we are here to celebrate with you. We are here because we believe in the heritage that we need to celebrate.
And speaking of community representation, dapat din daw naabangan ang sasampas sa kanilang float.
They represent heritage, they represent integrity, authenticity, as well as their ability to stand out.
Ang Wright Park Hotel float, kabilang lang sa inaasahang 30 makukulay na float na paparada sa Grand Floral Float Parade ng Panagbanga. Isang salamin sa mayamang kultura ng Cordillera at pasilip sa nakaraan at ng hinaharap. Jose Robert Inventor, RNG News.